Hola, buenos días. Me llamo Jayashree. Soy una profesora de español. Let's learn Spanish with me. Hoy vamos a hacer los verbos regulares en presente de indicativo. Today we are going to do regular verbs in present indicative tense. The present indicative tense can be used to describe an action happening at the moment or in the very near future to describe a routine or repeated actions. In Spanish, verbs are divided into three groups. Los verbos en español se dividen en tres grupos. Los verbos que terminan en ar, the verbs which are ending with ar, this is the first group. For example, trabajar. Los verbos que terminan en is the second group. The verbs which are ending with er is the second group, like comer. Los verbos que terminan en the verbs which are ending with ir is the third group. For example, vivir. Let's learn the conjugation of ar verb category. Trabajar is an ar ending verb. It means to work. First, we will learn the subject nouns. Yo is I, tú is you, él is he, ella is she, usted, you formal, nosotros, we, ellos, they boys, ellas, they girls, ustedes, you all. With AR ending verbs, first we will remove AR from the verb and then we will add the following endings. We will add O in the yo form, we will add as in tu form, we will add a in el, ella, usted form, we will add nos amos in nosotros form, we will add an in ellos, ellas, ustedes form. So once we remove AR from the AR ending verbs, like from trabajar, if we remove AR, then we are going to add the endings that we have discussed in the previous slides. After dropping AR, we are going to add the endings O, as, a, amos, ais, an. As I said, trabajar means to work. Trabajo is I work. Trabajas, you work. Trabaja, he, she works. Trabajamos, we all work. Trabajáis, you all work. Trabajan, they all work. Let's have a look on some of the verbs which are ending with AR. Los verbos que terminan con ar. The first verb is ayudar, to help. Second, bailar, to dance. Third, cantar, to sing. Fourth verb is cocinar, which is to cook. Fifth, dibujar, to draw. Sixth, enseñar, to teach. Seventh, escuchar, to listen to. Estudiar, to study. Hablar, to talk, to speak. Nadar, to swim. Necesitar, to need. Patinar, to skate. Practicar, to practice. Terminar, to finish, to end. Tocar, to play an instrument. Trabajar, to work. All these verbs, they are ending with AR. So all these verbs will be conjugated in the same way we conjugated trabajar. The second verb category is ER verbs. Comer, which means to eat, comes under the category of ER ending verb. Here we are going to conjugate ER ending verbs in present tense. So the endings are O, S, A, amos, eis, n. We see here After dropping er from the verb comer, we have added the following endings: o, s, a, amos, eis, n. And the conjugations are como, I eat; comes, you eat; come, he, she eats; comemos, we eat; comeis, you all eat; comen, they eat. These are some of the common er ending verbs: aprender, to learn; beber, to drink; comprender, to understand; correr, to run; creer, to believe; deber, should, must, ought to; leer, to read. All these er ending verbs can be conjugated in the same way we conjugated comer. We will drop er from all these verbs and we will be adding the endings o, s, a, amos, eis, n in the verb. Third verb category is ir ending verb. Vivir is an ir ending verb which means to live. Let's see the endings of ir ending verbs in present tense. The endings are o, s, a, emos, is, n. In ir ending verbs, the endings are same like er ending verbs except the nosotros and vosotros conjugation. Vivir is conjugated here. As we can see, it is an ir ending verb. After dropping ir from the verb, we have added the endings which are o, s, a, emos, is, n. Vivo, I live; vives, you live; vive, he, she lives; vivimos, we all live; vives, you all live; viven, they all live. So here we can see in the slide that three of the verbs ar, er and ir are conjugated. We can also see the endings of ar verbs which are o, as, a, amos, ais, an. The endings of er verbs o, s, a, amos, eis, n. The endings of ir verbs we have already discussed and they are o, s, a, emos, is, n. The ir ending verbs are same here. Let's have a look on some of the ir ending verbs. Vamos a conjugar o ver algunos ejemplos de los verbos que terminan con er. Vivir is to live, abrir is to open, venir is to come, asistir to attend, compartir to share, escribir to write, recibir to receive, describir to describe, decidir to decide. In all these verbs, we will be dropping or removing ir from the verb and we will be adding the following endings: o, s, a, amos, eis, n. I hope all of you have easily understood the conjugations of present indicative tense in Spanish. Please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, Learn Spanish with Jayashree. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Hasta la vista. Muchas gracias. Hasta la vista.